A fluffy golden omelette looks easy, but every home cook knows how quickly it can turn rubbery and fall apart in the pan. To get it right, you need the right technique and the right tools. So today I'll be walking through my go-to hacks for perfect omelettes that are tender, flavorful, and truly restaurant-worthy. We're keeping it simple here. Good eggs and a pan that actually does its job. I'll be using the TAIMA Titanium cutting board to prep my fillings and the Nutri Pan Pro to cook the omelette. Smooth slicing, no sticking, and it'll keep the nutrients locked into your food. Guaranteed. How to know if your eggs are fresh? Drop the egg into a glass of water. If it sinks and lies flat, it's super fresh. If it sinks but stands upright, it's still safe but not at the peak freshness. And if it floats to the top, it's old, so don't use it. Fresher eggs give you that richer yolks, brighter flavor, and that silky bite you wanted in your omelette. Whisk just until yolks and whites come together. Over whisking can create too much air, and that will make omelette go puff up before falling flat. Pro tip, a teaspoon of water will make your omelette lighter. And if you want richer eggs, add a little bit of cream. Either way, a simple splash will give you that tender, custardy texture you expect from a restaurant omelette. Second step, warm the Nutri Pan Pro over medium-low heat, then spread a teaspoon of high smoke oil evenly across the surface. Let it heat for 2-3 minutes. That'll activate the Slipscale surface and creates a natural non-stick base. With continued use, the pan will only get better and better as it reseasons over time. So once prepared your eggs, pour the eggs into the pan. The titanium build will keep the heat steady and preserve more of those eggy nutrients as your omelette cooks. Add a knob of butter and let it foam before pouring in the eggs. That deepens the flavor and keeps the omelette from drying out. Once the eggs are in, stir gently with a spatula, then stop. Let the base set so the omelette stays fluffy and not rubbery. And finally, fold in half, tilt the pan and slide it onto a plate. The center should be soft and creamy and the residual heat should finish the job. Voila! A soft, fluffy omelette that's quick and so delicious. With a little technique and the right pure titanium tools, cooking can feel effortless. So discover yours today at TaimaTitanium.com.